A group of NFTs by digital artist people was sold for over $69 billion. What's NFT? Hello guys, this is Ali, business and technology scholar. Today we are supposed to talk about NFT. To understand this lesson, you need to know something about blockchain technology. We talked about blockchain in the previous video, and I recommended you to watch it if you um, don't know anything about blockchain, because all issues that we talk about them in this channel, all of them worked on blockchain with the blockchain technology um, basic. So that is so important. It is so important video, and you need to know how blockchain works. Okay, let's talk about NFT. NFT or non-fungible token. In fact, NFT is a file with the blockchain technology basic, and it could be a digital passport with all details which introduce your physical or digital assets. So says about details and specify owner. They are an ideal vehicle to digitally represent physical assets like real estate and artwork. You can trade your digital assets and physical through the NFT market. To have or make a special NFT, first of all you need a digital wallet, and then join into the blockchain or NFT platforms. Just like Bitcoin or other cryptocurrency, NFT also contain ownership details for easy identification and transfer. Owners can also add attributes pertaining to the assets in NFTs. For example, artists can sign their digital artwork with their own signature in the metadata. Perhaps the most obvious benefit of NFT is market efficiency. The conversion of physical assets to the digital streamlines process and removes intermediaries. Non-fungible token (NFT) are also excellent for identity management. Consider the case of physical passport. They need to be produced at every entry and exit point. By converting individual passports to NFT, it's possible to streamline the entry and exit process for jurisdictions. Now let's talk about one of the amazing usage of NFT, making money from game. New games on blockchain technology gives you ability to make new digital assets and sell it to other players, as well as you can buy others' assets and resell again. I know a girl who got millionaire by this job, who buys digital houses in the game and sell it again, and finally she get paid by real money. Okay guys, it's enough for today. In the next video we will talk about Web3. Web3 aims to be a new version of internet, the internet we see today. Yes, we're supposed to change this current internet technology with a better one, and that is why we should learn about blockchain technology and new titles that work on blockchain, like cryptocurrencies, NFT, a smart contract, and other issues. So if you would like to join me in this way, don't forget to click on subscribe button. Do it now. Do it now. Thank you. Okay, see you soon.